Let's begin wrapping up the trading action today then, and it's a sharp 300-point cut that you're going to go home with after having a firm start above that 11,750 mark in trade today for the Nifty. After the touch-and-go moment with the Sensex as well at that 40k peak, we've had quite a steep fall from there. Let me just begin talking about the Nifty losers from, and you've got SBI, which has shaved off roughly about 6%. Cipla has had a hard fall. Bajaj Finserv has fallen about 5.5%. IndusInd Bank has seen a 5.5% cut. There's been Shree Cement, Eicher, Bajaj Finance, ICICI Bank saw 4.5% cut. After cruising past those 400 rupee per share levels just in Friday's session, or actually earlier today itself. Kotak Bank, L&T, Asian Paints, Maruti, M&M, these are all have been laggards today. Within the Nifty, in fact, there have been only two movers, ONGC as well as TCS, which you can say have been gainers. Even in the broader markets, while there were only four names which held out in the positive within the F&O universe, most of them have been just very meager gains. ONGC stands to be the only standout performer. Besides that, it's Interglobe Aviation, which is less than 1% higher. Godrej Properties as well closes in pretty much at the lows of the day, a less than 0.5% uptick, and negligible moves for TCS of that matter, an idea which completely gave up all of its double-digit gains. On the flip side, many stocks which have closed in the red. Piramal Enterprises, a 10% downtick coming in the futures. DLF slides about 9%. Shriram Transport Finance, NMDC another 10% shave off. JMR Infra, you've got Ramco Cement, Manappuram Finance, PNB, HPCL, Muthoot. These have all been very big laggards in trade. And of course, the weakness was pretty deep when it came to banking as well as financial names. Avan?
Oh, yes, indeed. That has been one sector that has really been a bit broken in today's trading session. Just want to highlight some of the other names within the banking universe as well. Eicher, you flagged off some names. There's Federal, RBL, PNB, SBI, as well as Bank of Baroda that go home with cuts in today's trading session. Reliance Industries has been a newsmaker on the back of that deal being concluded with Future Enterprises. You've got NHPC, which came out with its numbers flattish by way of its profits at about 855 crore rupees. So that too has been a newsmaker in trade today. Well, other than that, let's also check in on which are some of the other stocks that have been in news. RBL Bank, remember Vishwavir Ahuja selling some shares. You've also got Wockhardt reacting to its quarterly show, a profit of 760 crores, but do remember there was an exceptional gain. SBI continues to remain on the brokerage radar. Macquarie now saying that it's the top pick in the PSU space, raising their target price by nearly 12%. You've got CLSA's which has come out with its report on Jubilant Food, maintaining an outperform rating, and something like Apex Frozen Foods as well is on the brokerage radar. Within the broader universe, though, there have been quite a few casualties. Ramco Industries, City Union Bank, NMDC, AU Small, Blue Star, DLF, Deepak Nitrite, India Bulls Ventures that have had quite a rough run, and we're closing in with a 4% gash for the broader universe.